Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Continue from where we stopped in our previous video. We're going to be looking at the third task on our GT project. And before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also click on the notification bell beside this so that you get notified anytime I upload any new video. In this task, we ask us to create a branch, and that is what a branch. A branch is like a copy of your project. For example, let me show you now. For example, in this tutorial, we have main branch as default. You have a main Java result. If you create another one, it will be listed there as another copy of this main branch. If you create another one here, it will contain another copy of this main files. So that means everything that is in this main file will be in the new branch. And then what's the purpose of the branch? The purpose is if you want to maybe you want to get another developer to work on the project, and then you can create another branch for the developer to work on it, and everything is done on his own branch will not affect the main project. That means even if you want to add another feature, you can actually create another branch and work on it without it affecting the main project. So it just has, and whenever you copy everything that is in the mail will be replicated in the new branch that you create. So now the project is now for us to create a branch with of this script, and then before we move on to the next step. So now let me check before that, let's check for the branch we are working on here currently. Git branch. So it's showing us the main branch that we see the other time. It might sometimes you might see master, because I think the old this thing they use is master. So but now they are using main. So if you see master, don't get confused. And I said it in my previous video. Anytime you are anywhere you are seeing my new course, please don't get confused. Please don't get confused with it. Just replace it with ALS precourse, because that's the your own repository that you're working with. My own is my new course, so don't get that one confused too. So now let's create branch. If you want to create branch, you use git branch. Then the name of the branch that you're supposed to create is update script. So now let's check git branch. So now we have the main branch, then we have the new one that we just created. So let me explain the work of this Git branch. What it works for is that you can use it to create new branch, you can use it to delete branch, you can use it to rename branch, and you can use it to list all the branch. So that's the full function of the Git branch. So now so the next thing now is that they ask us to create an empty file named 98 in this bash directory. To do that, you have to switch to this branch so that I can work on it. So to switch, you type git checkout checkout updates script. So now we have already switched to the update script. So that's the command to use to switch, and you can also use the word git switch to switch too, but you just use this checkout to switch now. So once you are switched, let's check the files that are available for us. So you will notice that we still have the same file available in our main branch. We still have it available in the of this script branch too. So now they are now asking us to create a file 98 inside bash. So our inside bash inside this directory cd o 0x. So this is our bash file. So so they're asking us to create the file inside this. So let's move to bash. So we are in our bash. So we are in our bash directory now. So now they ask us to create a file 98. So the reader will type touch 98. Enter. Let's check ls. So now we have 98 already. We have 98 in the file now. So let's check for the next file. The next file is to update bash als and replace echo ALS with echo ALS school. So now let's check the content that's already available in the ALS file. Can check by check cards ALS. Okay, now we have this thing there. So now they are now asking us to change it to ALS school. To change that to ALS school, you use this command SED. Just pay very close attention to this. It is very simple. So um, now this is what we are actually talking about. You are saying change Echo ALS to change Echo ALS school. Don't forget the bracket. So you don't forget the codes. Don't forget the code that are available there. So you are saying change this, which is this, to this. So don't forget to put G here and don't forget to put S here. So then so we put the name of the file that we are targeting, which is ALS file. This is ALS file that they are also to change the ALS file that they are already change something there. So once you are done that, you hit enter. So let's check cat ALS. So now you see that the second line has changed to what they asked us to change it to. So that's how to do it basically. So let's move to the next task. So the next task is to change school file inside bash directory, change echo school to this. So echo school is open. It's very simple too. So before that, let's check what is available in school already. Cat school. Okay, we can see echo school. But please, I want you to pay very close attention at this junction. You will notice that they put quotes. So you notice that there is quote here, there is quote here. Okay, sorry, there is this quote here too. So now, if you check my own distance, you notice that the quote is not here. Please notice that at your own end too. If that quote is there, make sure you include it when you are typing. If it's not there, make sure you don't include it. So just please close attention now. See the I when you put this slash. You know that I didn't put the quote there because it's not here. Then you put the slash echo. You cannot put the slash. You have echo here now because the school is open. The school is open. That's the word that they asked us to change it to. Because they're inside the school file. So now notice that I didn't put I put exactly what is here. Then I put exactly what they asked us to change it to here. This is there. So now just I think now we can run our code to check. Let's check cat school. Yeah, you will notice that is here already. Please just please closer attention to what I've done now and make sure you put everything in place. So once you get this, then you are good to go. So let's look for the next step. The actual to add and commit with my personal work, then we push our new branch to GitHub. So let's do that. So to push, I know by now one of us to know how to push. So you can just type git add vendors. So after you put that, then you type git comments. Then you put this. Then they ask you to use my personal work. Then let's that. Then let's push git push. Oh, sorry. We cannot just use git push to push again. So we have to use. You have to specify like which branch you want pushing to. We are not in the main branch. So to push now, you can since we cannot. This is the command we can use to push. So git push push. Let me use this. Set up string origin this script. Git okay. Push push updates script. So that's how to update it. Sorry, I made some mistake the other time, and this is supposed to work, but I don't know why it didn't work. Maybe there is a typographical error, but I don't know. But actually, this actually works. So you can actually use this one to push. So once you have pushed online, everything is there already now. So let's move to the next task. On the next task, we have to change it back. We have to change it back to main branch, then update bash. So that's what we're going to be doing now. For you to switch back to branch, you use I explained the way we shift to the same way we shift to this branch. So that we use the same method to shift back to main, which is git checkout main. So now we have shift back to main branch. So now they ask us to update bash als. They also replace ALS file inside the bash directory with replace the text echo ALS with echo ALS school is so cool. So let's do that really quick. Okay, sorry, I actually encountered some technical error, so I'm just continuing from where I stopped the other time there. So that's how you change the file inside the ALS. So let's check what is already available inside the ALS. Cat ALS. So we have echo. So this is what they ask you to change. To do that, just type CXED. Don't forget that. And then you put exactly what is here, which is echo ALS. Put it. Then they ask you to change it to echo ALS school is so cool. So close it. Then you put G, close it. Inside what? Inside the ALS folder. So let's check that. Cat ALS. Something is wrong. You didn't. I forgot to put O here. Echo. Okay. So let me correct that. Zero. Oh, so let's check that again. Cat ALS. So we have it there now. Cat ALS school is so cool. So now I haven't done that. So let's move to the next. They ask us to delete the JS folder. Then after that, we should commit our changes with alt fix. So let's do that now. So um for you to delete, you have to move back to this directory. So to do that, you type cd dash. So we are there already. Let's check what is available there. So we see the gs folder, but don't forget inside this gs folder you have two files inside. So you cannot just delete this folder with the command rm dir just like that. It won't go because there are some files inside it. So if you want to remove it, you use rm, then use hyphen r, then you type gs. So if you check now, it will be already, so it's already deleted, so it's not there anymore. So now that's all we have to do. So now you have to commit. So let's commit. Let's push our work in git add git commit with a message hotfix. So now let's push git push. Oh, sorry, git push. Once you push online, You can use your code checker to check if you are on the right path, if you are the right path. Congratulations. And if you need more help, you can drop it in the comment section below, and they will contact you to know how I can fix it together. So thank you guys for watching.